Merry Christmas, everybody. Let's get crafty. I will show you how to make Pokémon Snowflakes so fun. First, fold the paper like this several times. It's important to make perfectly even folds. Watch me. I put a small mark where I want to draw the Pokémon, then I unfold the paper to make the drawing. Today, let's make the beloved Team Rocket crew, Jesse, James, and Meowth, all together. You can be sure Team Rocket will be up to no good this Christmas. This one is more intricate. Take your time, make small cuts. I use tough, sharp scissors to make these small cuts. Be careful, don't mess it up. The key to making a snowflake is to leave at least one point on each side of the triangle not cut, so the snowflake won't fall apart. Now you are finished. Hooray, you did a great job. I knew you could do it. Bye.